In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make curved borders in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean border to any element and round its corners for that polished, modern look. Start by opening your project in Canva and locating the element you want to style. This could be a photo, a text box, a shape, or even a group of items. Click the element once to select it. When it's selected, you'll see a toolbar appear along the top of the editor. That toolbar is where all the styling controls live. Look for the option labeled Stroke or Border Style. Depending on your version of Canva, it might simply say Border. Click it to open the border settings. Here, toggle the border on if it isn't already, then set your border thickness. A thicker border will be more prominent, which is great for thumbnails and bold designs, while a thinner border gives a subtle, refined edge. As you adjust the thickness, keep an eye on your canvas so you can see how it looks in context. If the element is small, zoom in for accuracy. If it's large, step back to make sure the border feels balanced within the whole layout. Once the border is visible and the thickness feels right, it's time to curve those corners. Right next to the stroke or border options, you'll find corner rounding. Click it and you'll see a slider that controls how rounded the corners become. Drag the slider to the right for softer, more pronounced curves, or keep it closer to the left for a subtle radius. The goal is to complement your design. Sharper corners feel more technical, while rounded corners add warmth and approachability. As you adjust, watch how the curve interacts with your element's shape and border thickness. A very thick border paired with a small radius can look boxy, while a thinner border with a wider radius tends to feel light and friendly. If something looks off, use undo to step back and try a different combination. Consistency is key, so consider matching your corner radius across similar elements in the same project for a cohesive look. When you're happy with the result, click off the element to preview it in context. If you need to apply the same style to another element, repeat the process. Select it, set the border and thickness, then adjust the corner rounding slider. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can create clean, curved borders in Canva that instantly elevate your design.